everybody, it's Jessie here from Untitled Soap Company. Be sure to watch me make this really cool confetti soap. All right, let's go. Hey everybody, my name is Jessie from Eden Street Soap Company. Thanks so much for joining me today. I was inspired to make this confetti soap because I am celebrating the 1-year anniversary of this channel. And stay to the end, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about my celebration video. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get up past 1,000 and I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and let's get started with the main part of the video. Okay, so I'm just prepping all of my oils that are going into the batch, and I just wanted to talk about the scented oil that I'm using. Today I am going to be using Nature's Garden Candle Supplies Fruity Rings fragrance oil. And this one's definitely a bestseller of mine. I'm not associated with them in any way, but I really love this scent and wanted to tell you about it. So it has top notes of lemon rinds, lime, and grapefruit, mid notes of lemongrass, lily, and verbena, and base notes of vanilla sugar. So it is a really, really good breakfast cereal dupe. And yeah, it does have 1% of vanilla in it, so you'll have to add either a vanilla stabilizer, a titanium dioxide, or kaolin clay. Kaolin clay works too, and that will help keep it bright white, or if you don't want it to turn a cream color or an off-white. But other than that, I think the off-white is really pretty, and if you don't want to add extra ingredients, you can always just keep it like that. Anyway, so I just thought I would talk about it because this is a really popular scent, and I really love this one. Okay, so as you can see, we've got everything poured into the soap mold and into the cupcake molds. And the cupcake molds have just the funfetti batter, and the soap mold, the loaf, has the super white soap batter on the top and the bottom, and then in the middle it has the off-white funfetti. I wanted it to resemble a funfetti cake, and I think it comes out looking like it. So as you can see, my soap frosting isn't very thick. It's kind of runny, and that's because I'm just using the excess batter that I have. Typically when I make a soap frosting, it's very thick and it resembles real icing, and that's what I'm going to put on the cupcakes. I'm going to make another batch later on, maybe in another video, and I'll show you how to do that. Just comment below if that's something you're interested in. Anywho, then we take the remainder of the soap sprinkles, the little cubes that we put to the side, and we just sprinkle them on top and just kind of give it a nice cake funfetti with sprinkles on top look, and I think it comes out so cute. I also did something really fun. I went ahead and took some of the little slices that I had that were thin of the shaved soap, and I twisted them around a paintbrush when they were still soft, when I just shaved them, and I made these kind of unicorn horn curly Q bits, and they came out really cute, and they were the centerpiece for the soap. They went right along the middle there, and some were sticking out and some were laying down, and I show you in the video just an example of some of them, and you can see them in the picture, but I really loved them and they were so cute in person. So as I continue to decorate this soap on camera here, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the 1-year anniversary of this channel. And I feel like the channel's come a long way in a year, and I can't believe it's been a year. May 27th, 2022 was 1 year for this channel, and I was one of those people that kept putting it off and putting it off and putting it off forever. And one day I was in my kitchen and I just filmed something from my kitchen, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it, and I did, and that was my first video. And believe it or not, the first video got like 1,200 views in like the first 2 weeks. So that was kind of a big video, especially for my first one. And I just continued making videos from then on. My equipment wasn't great, and my phone wasn't great, and I got a camera, and that wasn't great, but I continued making videos. And so that left me with a lot of older videos. I mean, up to like 8 months into the channel, my videos weren't great quality, but I now have a lot of older videos that people like and they've watched. But I thought maybe it would be fun for the channel for our 1-year anniversary if I recreated some of those older videos. If anybody has any requests, I know of a couple popular videos that people want to see, but if any of the subscribers have requests, or even people that are watching for the first time, if you check out the channel and you see something you like, but maybe I wasn't clear on directions, just pop down a comment below and let me know what you're interested in. I love to hear it. And you know, oh, and that's a reminder, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I'm not a big channel, but it is growing every day, and my goal is to get to 1,000. So it's not a big goal, but it is my goal. So yeah, if you would like me to recreate something, I'd love to hear about it. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and check out the website. Bye.